Om Sri Ganganpati Namaha. I pray Almighty God Ganesha, the Day Lord, Ancestral Lords, and Gurus. By blessings of all, I could acquire the knowledge and proficiency in various branches of occult science, astrology, numerology, vastu, etc., and providing consultancy as well as education on this subject. It was the good wishes of and blessings, good wishes of all you all, friends, colleagues, and blessings of the gurus that I could acquire the. I have been confirmed with the lifetime membership of the IF and of my office located at Patna, Kidwepuri. He is registered under Subsidy Establishment Act, GST compliant, and certified by IS. It is ISO certified by QR. So let us welcome you to the Varun Astro presentation on days auspiciousness as per numerology, which is very much famous as well as useful for those who are not conversant with the Hindi. They are not fully conversant. I am telling you with Hindi, and they request me that the presentation of numerology be placed in English. But this is a special presentation for those people. Days auspiciousness as per numerology. But before going to that chapter, that presentation, let us have some discussion on numerology, how it works, because it is easy to learn, easy to use, easy to adopt, and easy to take correctly. So let us proceed on the first, how the numerology works. So numerology works under single digit only, that is 1 to 9. Zeros are ignored because the zero signifies infinity, and uncertainty. Second point, these numbers are from 1 to 9, and fifth number is the middle number, which balances all the numbers. So 1 to 9 number is important whenever we are getting a compound number, may be consisting of more than one number, 1 to 10, 11, 13, whatever is there. All the numbers which are used therein are added together and converted into single digit in order to make it into single digit and use it in numerology. So each number 1 to 9 is ruled by a planet. 1 is ruled by Sun, 2 is by Moon, 3 is by Jupiter, 4 by Rahu, 5th by Mercury, 6th by Venus, 7 by Ketu, 8 by Saturn, 9 by Mars. So these are the numbers and their respective planets. So whenever in our birth chart, I mean numero chart, which consists of birth date, month and year, if any number is missing, then the energy or quality of those planets is missing with us. We are losing that. Simultaneously, there are chances that more than twice numbers are there, appearing more than twice some of the numbers, then those energy are in excess form in our body. I mean the excess energy of that planet. So in numerology, just guides how to balance the numbers and make use of them so that energy balance flow in our body in equal form. and our health is maintained. So numerology revolves around the birth date, which consists of date, month, and year. Date may consist of two digits, single digit. So month may also consist of single digit or double digit, but year consists of four digits. So I've taken one example here of date of birth, 13th March 1986. We are taking. So if you see 13th March 1986, 13 is the birth date, 3 is the month number, 13th is the date number, 3 is the month number, and 1986 is the year. So 13386, when the date is added together, it gives prime number or driver. And when the date, month, and year are added together, it gives life number or conductor. And when the year is added together, converted into single digit, and for male it is subtracted from 11, for female it is added to 4. It gives poor number, which is a gifted number by God. So birth date is also consisting of date, month, and year. We get this is gifted by God, and this poor number is also gifted by God. So here poor number has been calculated, which will be used in the grade subsequently. So you can note it down. This is there I was showing a male chart. Now I am showing a female chart. So when 1986 added together, we are getting 24, out of which we are getting 6. So for female, it is required to be added with 4. So we are getting 10, and subsequently it is converted to single digit, and resultant effect is 1. In the similar fashion, date, month, and year are also added together, and we are getting 4 here. Prime number, driver 4, conductor 4. We may, after getting the birth of the birth, and which is we get the birth number from the God, we go on adding first our family members, fathers, parents, choose a number, name, and that name plays vital role during life because it generates a number which may be useful, lucky, or harmful for the data. So the number, name, whatever it is taken, those letters are converted into single and their respective numerical values, and then those numbers are added together and converted into single digit. Just for example, I have taken here. So the native prime number, here I can say the native's prime number is 4, which you can note down. Driver is 4, conductor is 4, and name number is 2. So this is just imaginary one. In this way, this is calculated, and we have already calculated the one number. So how it works? This is the Losu grid, which is called Losu grid. There are 9 boxes here, 3 to 3, and each box has permanent number, or each box has got its permanent place. This is not changed. So when we put the numbers here from the birth date, 13 is here, so 13 we will put here, 1 came here, 3 came here. Thereafter 3 is again appearing, so double 3 is there. 1 again appearing, 9 appearing, 8 appearing, 6 appearing. Thereafter 4 is appearing twice as life, driver and conductor both. And 1 number is again appearing as 1. So for this native, you can say that center number 5 is missing, which balances all the numbers. 2 is missing, 7 is missing. From name imaginary, this is not correct, but from name we can say that we are getting 2. And what does these numbers represent? You can say from this grade, you can arrive at calculating that the center of this native in-house may have Vastu dosa. Again, southwest and west. Because these numbers are missing. Simultaneously, this number is missing about Mercury, quality of Mercury, basically problem in communication, family life, marriage life disturbed, and creativity. The native creativity quality may be a bit low. So this all are about this presentation, this quality of this particular birth date and what they are missing. So what this number boxes symbolizes. Native may have wealth, good health, family too. He may acquire knowledges, including astrological knowledge because Saturn is involved. He get name and fame, and career will be also good. Marriage relationship problem, creativity problem. And the native may have wonderful friend. So all these boxes indicates what are the effect of this availability and non-availability of missing numbers and repeating numbers. So in broader sense, you can say that these are the effect of the numbers. And the native may be lacking issues related to the missing numbers. For example, 5 is missing. Then the native may find a problem in balancing, stability, fortune may not work, mental tension, health issues, and obstruction in freedom. There may be so many obstacles in the native spirit. Simultaneously, 2 is missing, marriage, love, relationship, intuition, emotions, etc. 7 is missing, creativity, disappointment too much, may not use the entertainment, and future, always concerned for the future. and may adopt a spiritual. So these are the effects of these numbers, and the energy or the elements which are represented by these boxes are displayed here. Remedial measures can be done for the missing numbers by using those metals, elements. And now I will show you what the planes number. So 492 horizontal first plane is intellectual plane, second plane is emotional plane, middle plane, and third plane is practical plane. Again, I repeat you, 492, which is consist of upper horizontal plane is intellectual plane, middle plane consisting of 357 boxes, emotional plane, and the boxes in which 816 is established is practical plane. And for this native, we can say that intellectual plane is 66%, emotional plane is 33%, and practical plane is 100%. Highly qualified intellectual, emotional, a bit less, practical is 100%. So if you ask the native to go for the party, pros and cons of the party analyzed by native, and finally decision will be from bottom of heart after us analyzing all the practical aspects of the that attending the party. This is the nature of the native. So on the all the issues, practical aspects are considered, and this is good quality for the native. Similarly, next is on a vertical plane that is consisting of 438 first one, thought plane, 951 middle plane, willpower plane, and action plane 276. So here, if we see the thought plane for the native is 100%, willpower is 66%, and action plane is 33%. So the native arranges 5 number, center number. You can say that emotional plane will increase to 66% and willpower plane 100%. And the third one number is Golden Raj Yoga and Silver Raj. Golden Raj Yoga is formed because of 456 diagonal and Silver Raj Yoga 852. So here again in Golden Raj Yoga the native is missing 5. So what should be the if the 5 is arranged the native's Golden Raj Yoga will be there. The native badly needs 5 number. So her name should be on 5 number. She should use the mobile which gives her 5 number so that adequate center is 5 number is balanced because it is imbalanced and it is creating imbalancing of so many planes as well as radio. So when we go for the calculate the grid where it is created, this grid is again in this way 44, 9, 33, 5 is missing, 8, 111, 6. So natives 111 is there. What will be the impact? Sometimes ego may harm the native. In this way, one can analyze his her own birth chart, name chart, number chart, numeral chart. So you can also learn it, use it, and I will be coming with more date of birth subsequently, which will make you clear how to make the box and use it. Thereafter, I will be coming with friendly numbers, anti numbers, 81 combinations, and then what are the impact of missing numbers, repeating numbers. So many things will be coming in this presentation subsequently, but gradually and slow, so that you can acquaint with and you can learn it, use it, do the practicals at home. With this, now I will take you to the presentation on days auspiciousness as per today's chart. And so today's prime number is 2 and life number is 9. Driver is 2, 9 and conductor is 2. The relationship between 2 and 9 is of inimical, and that's why the person having such type of combination may be cautious and try to change their name according to neural chart so that number 2 and 9 are balanced and work together. So today's in birth chart, if you see, 9 is friendly with only prime number of 1. Okay. Naturally, 9 is the considered as army, which has concerned only with the king, government. And 9 does not have good relation, rather inimical relation with prime number 2, 3, 4, and 9. So 9 number is very much particular anti with these numbers. So people born on 2nd, 11th, 20th, 29th of any month, 3rd, 12th, 21st, 30th of any month, 4th, 13th, 22nd, 31 of any month, 9, 18, 27th of any month. They are inimical to the 9. Their prime numbers are inimical to the 9, hence they should be careful today while handling various issues. Those born on 1st, 10, 19, 28th of any month, 1 and 9 are friendly relationship, so 100% success rate may be there. And neutral relationship is with those prime numbers with the 9 are 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 5, those born on 5, 8, 14, 23rd of any month, 6, 15, 24th of any month, 7, 16, 25th of any month, and 8, 17, 26th of any month. These persons, day will be as usual in general. And the success rate may vary between average to good. So with this, the presentation comes to an end. Hope because this 9 number is friendly only with one number, and even 9 number is not friendly with its own number. 9 represents fire, and you know fire is too much fire is not good. Similarly, you will see the watery planet Moon does not have good relations. Jupiter also not have good relations, and ground Earth. These also are not having good relation with the Mars, 9 number. So All these are those persons born on with the combination of 29, 39, 49, 89 should look at their name so that their numbers are balanced. With this, the presentation comes to an end. Thank you for watching this and being with us. The contents of the presentation has been taken from various books and journals I've gone through, and the images have been taken from Google. This presentation reached to you through YouTube, and if you're watching for the first time, subscribe the channel, press the notification icon, and share this presentation with your friends, colleagues, and relatives, well wishers, so that numerology reaches to each house, each person, each family, and remedial measures can be done by identifying the problems and numbers which are imbalance. So in order to bring auspiciousness in all the life of all, please share this with your friends, colleagues, and relatives as well as relatives. With this small request, please like the post in the YouTube and give us the feedback in order to boost my energy. Thank you. Wishing you all the best. Have a good day, great day, lovely day ahead. And tomorrow I will be meeting with the same time with new presenters. Until then, take care. Have a good day.